Hello world. I don't know why, but I'm so nervous right now. It's been so long since I have been on the internet, and of course he would stop right now. I wanted to show you guys a little bit of my, and there he goes again. I wanted to show you guys a little bit of my reality. I know it has been a while since I've been on here, but Mama and Daddy have been very, very busy, and as you can tell, Mama is tired. Y'all, I'm in my pantry. This is my lovely unfinished pantry. We have baby food makers and baby bottle stuff up here, my canning stuff, my chicken egg cartons, and everything. When I moved in this house, the lady that owned it before me, she told me, she was an older lady, she told me, she said, if I have any request, I request you to stock that pantry. And so I keep my word on that. I love my pantry, y'all. But yes, I am coming to you live from my pantry, and I know y'all hear this craziness that's going on in the background, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of my reality right now and why I haven't been jumping on here as much as I usually do, and just kind of a little bit of what's going on. I'm gonna show y'all something really quick. I have so many updates to post for y'all and to show everybody, but as of right now, I'm gonna show y'all what's going on tonight because it's a little crazy. Okay, hold on. y'all come with me. Hey everybody, what's going on? Long time no see. We are leaving the pantry. This is, so you come through my pantry, and then my laundry room is back there, and this is the current state of my kitchen. Send help! Send help! Okay, so y'all, if y'all have been following me for a really long time, thank you. I love y'all. If y'all are new to my page, sorry y'all haven't seen me yet. And I'm coming to you like this. First of all, apologies. We have been so busy around here. We are almost like a day shy of 5 weeks away from delivery, and the baby is getting so big, and I am tired, and I have enjoyed every second of this pregnancy, but I'm ready. I'm ready to get my energy back and start working again, and just being able to walk around my yard without breathing heavy. Okay. We have just been super busy, y'all, and I just wanted to come on and apologize for not being current and keeping y'all up to date as of what's going on, but like, this is one of the main projects that has been happening, the kitchen, and there's so many other things that have been going on that I need to share you guys. We built a bed, and we are remodeling the kitchen, and the baby's room. Oh, I can block the light, and y'all can see me with this high hair I got here. I can block the light. The baby's room is almost finished. I can't wait to show you guys that. Me and my mom, we've repainted, and it's a mess right now, and I hate to even, I just showed y'all my kitchen. I might as well show y'all that, huh? Let's go see. So we're like halfway through all of these projects, and me and Josh were making a joke today about how spoiled this little girl is, because she's like getting a brand new house. Y'all, it's a mess. Y'all will see finished product, okay? But as of right now, this is what the baby's room looks like. I have a plant on my porch for her. Y'all know I gotta put a plant in my girl's room. Yeah, it's a practical disaster. Josh, actually, this was another project that we did. Josh built all, like, this whole built-in shelving in the closet that I have to paint. It's just, it's some, oh, look, we got some dollars sitting right there. It's just a lot, y'all, okay? We are trying to get all of this done before the baby gets here, and we only have a couple weeks left. Josh goes back to work tomorrow, and so when he's off, we try to get as much done as we can, because there's only certain things that I can and can't do, and, you know, they don't let me pick up a paint can anymore. All of my baseboards and molding around my doors, and the doors got redone, and just so much stuff, y'all. This is why I have not been present on Facebook, and I probably should have shared all of it with you guys, because I'm sure some people would love to see that. But look, this girl don't feel like I'm tired, y'all. I'm so tired. But we're getting it done, and I just wanted to give you guys a tiny little update. I'll show y'all something else before we leave. I know it's a mess, y'all, but it's so cute. I can't wait. She's so spoiled. She's spoiled. Just a little update. Oh, my bed's not even made. Like, I can't believe I'm even showing y'all this stuff. I can't show y'all the bed. I was gonna show y'all this beautiful bed that Josh made me, but I can't show it to y'all in this condition because it would ruin it. It's just the pillows are thrown everywhere, and there's stuffed animals in here from my boy, and it's so pretty though. That'll be one of my next updates. My office is all over the place in here, y'all. Look. Oh, get pregnant, they said. It'll be fun, they said. But all right, y'all, like I said, thank y'all for tuning in. Just wanted to jump on, give y'all a little update since it's been so terribly long.
Who is that?
Facebook.
Oh, man.
I am gonna I'm glad you didn't say anything crazy.
Like a jerk. I thought it was a mom.
He is doing something. Can I show them the inside?
Oh, you know.
Push the thing.
Babe, I'll be honest with you.
Just push it.
This is classified.
This
is classified in here.
Just. Hey. Oh, you're all dusty. So he's sanding. And then I have to come in and paint behind him. And he's working his way around the corner over here. But yeah, so that's where we are with that, and it's some crazy things around here. I do want to make another post about that beautiful gun that Mr. Clark sent me. It is sitting right here, just as pretty as can be, and I can't wait to shoot it. I was gonna make a video today actually shooting it, but we got busy with other things, if y'all can't tell. She's a beaut, y'all. If y'all missed my post, I posted a little picture of it, and I am obsessed. It's got the octagon barrel and everything on it. I cannot wait to shoot this gun. So many things, y'all. So many things that are going on, and it's all exciting and it's all exhausting. But we are making it through, and we're gonna be all right. Y'all have a good night, and I will be posting some more updates soon. Thank you guys for tuning in and looking at my crazy a mess house right now. But hey, look, y'all. This is reality, okay? It's not always peaches and cream and butterflies and rainbows. We gotta do what we gotta do around here. When all of this is finished, I can't wait to share the finished product with y'all. And I'm not even gonna recognize the place, to be honest. But it's coming together. And I love you guys, and I hope y'all have a good night. And thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all keep following the grain, even though I'm far and few between these days. I'm all dusty, but the belly is huge. Thanks for asking, guys. Alrighty, y'all. I'll see y'all later, and I will talk to y'all soon. Y'all have a good night. See y'all later. Bye-bye.